Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn book exercise of the chapter Monday Morning Blues. Tick the appropriate answers. Number 1. Tom Sawyer didn't want to get up on Monday morning because Tom Sawyer didn't want to get up means Tom Sawyer Monday morning को उठना क्यों नहीं चाहता था. Options: it meant going back to school, he wanted to work at home, he didn't like Mondays, and none of these. And the right option is it meant going back to school. इसका मीनिंग क्या था? मीन्स मंडे को वो उठा तो इट मीन्ट गोइंग बैक टू स्कूल, उसको फिर स्कूल जाना होगा. नेक्स्ट, टॉम बिगेन टू ग्रोन लाउडली बिकॉज. लाउडली क्यों? ग्रोन मीन्स उसने चिल्लाना क्यों स्टार्ट किया. Options: his tooth was loose, his toe was sore, his feet hurt, and none of these. And the right option is his toe was sore. Next, Aunt Polly angry with Tom because. आंटी थी जो, वो उसके साथ गुस्सा क्यों थी. Options: she didn't like Tom. No. She was being unkind to him. No. She knew he was telling a lie. And none of these. And the right option is she knew he was telling a lie. आंटी को पता था क्यों गुस्सा थी उसके साथ, कि वो झूठ बोल रहा है. He was making excuses for not going to school because he wanted to stay at home and enjoy with his friends. Yes. Next, Aunt Polly asked for a silk thread because. Silk thread क्यों मंगवाती है? She wanted to sew a torn shirt. No. She wanted to tie it around Tom's toe. No. She wanted to take out Tom's tooth. Or none of these. The right option is she wanted to take out Tom's tooth. क्या करना था आंटी ने? आंट ने सिल्क थ्रेड क्यों मंगवाया? बिकॉज शी वॉन्टेड टू टेक आउट टॉम्स टूथ. यस. नेक्स्ट, A4. मार्क द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स विद द टिक इफ ट्रू एंड अ क्रॉस इफ फॉल्स. यस. Tom held up his toe for inspection because he wanted to make sure that he could use it as an excuse for not going to school. Yes, true. The statement is true. Second one, Tom was groaning loudly because he wanted to tell everyone that he was enjoying himself. No, statement is wrong. Next, the dental instruments that Aunt Polly used were a silk thread and a chunk of fire. Yes, right. Statement is right. Aunt Polly used a silk thread and a chunk of fire. Next, Aunt Polly loved Tom a lot. Yes, statement is true. Next, Tom felt foolish because his act was caught. Yes, true. Next है A7. Work with your partner. Find words from the story whose synonyms are given below. Number 1, crying in pain. Crying in pain means moaning. Number 2, pretend. Pretend means fake. Number 3, terrible. Terrible, awful. Number 4, excitedly. Excitedly means eagerly. Number 5, efforts. Efforts means attempts. Next है question number 8. Aunt Polly told Tom, "You always break my heart." The word break can be used in many ways when it is succeeded by words like up, down, into, out, etc. Now work with your partner or look up a dictionary and try to understand the expressions in the 8 box main. Then fill in the blanks in the sentences given on the next page. Yes, here are some phrasal verbs in the 8 box. Break down, meaning break down. Collapse means खराब होना. Break into, enter forcibly means जबरदस्ती घुसना. Break out, to spread, अनहोने काम का स्टार्ट होना या किसी चीज का फैलना. Breakup means end, खत्म हो जाना. Break open, open suddenly, किसी चीज को तोड़कर खोलना या suddenly ओपन करना किसी को. Yes, now we have to fill the blanks with the phrasal verbs. Number 1, on his way to the office, Mr. Paul's car dash. There was no one to help him. This sentence is of past. There was. Helping verb क्या है? Was. And we have to fill second form of the verb. Break की second form broke. So what we will fill here? Broke down. Mr. Paul's car broke down. There was no one to help him. Next, the robbers dashed the safe and escaped with a lot of money. Escaped. This sentence is also in past tense and we have to fill second form of the verb. The robbers. Obviously robbers क्या करेंगे? Open the safe. Safe क्या होता है? Means किस यहाँ पे हम अपनी valuable things को संभाल कर रखते हैं. That is called safe. Broke open. The robbers broke open the safe and escaped with a lot of money. Next, let us dash for lunch. We will meet again after an hour at the same place, the principal announced. Let us dash for lunch. Yes, here this sentence is of future. We will. Helping verb क्या है? Will. So we have to fill first form of the verb. Break up. Let us break up for lunch. We will meet again after half an hour at the same place. Next, the thieves dashed the house at night when everyone was fast asleep. The thieves dashed the house. Yes, this sentence is also of past. In past tense we use V2 verb की second form. Thieves broke into means enter forcibly. Thieves ने क्या किया? Enter forcibly the house at night when everyone was fast asleep. Next, the municipal corporation swung into action when they heard that malaria had dash in the city. This sentence is of perfect, past perfect, because helping verb is had. Then we have to fill third form of the verb. Break, broke, broken. Broken out means to spread. जो मलेरिया है वो क्या हो गया? Broken out means फैल गया. Yes, the municipal corporation swung into action when they heard that malaria had broken out in the city. Yes, next है A9. Some pairs of words look so similar that they get confused with each other. 4 such pairs are given below. Lay, laid. Lay means रखना. Laid रखा या लेटाना. Farther और further और farther. Farther क्या है? दूर. Further means आगे. Farther है जो दूर फार से लिया गया है, फार मीन्स दूर. फर्दर रेफर्स टू एक्चुअल डिस्टेंसेस बिटवीन ऑब्जेक्ट्स. जब हमें दो चीज़ों के बीच में डिस्टेंस आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, फर्दर. और जो फर्दर है, फर्दर रेफर्स टू फिगुरेटिव डिस्टेंसेस, मीन्स हमें ये नहीं पता होता कि आगे कितना टाइम लगेगा, तो वहाँ हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं, फर्दर. नेक्स्ट है लूज. लूज वर्ब है, मीन्स मिसप्लेस होना, खोना किसी चीज़ का. लूज एडजेक्टिव, नॉट फिटिंग मीन्स ढीला. हील एंड heel, H-E-E-L and H-E-A-L, heel. H-E-E-L heel means AD, H-E-A-L heel means ठीक होना. Next, number 1, the wound took a long time to heal means जो जख्म था उसने, घाव था जो उसने ठीक होने में, to heal took a long time, लंबा समय लिया ठीक होने में. I think this point needs dash discussion. I think this point needs further discussion means आगे इस पॉइंट पे क्या है, आगे चर्चा होगी. Next, the mother gently dash the baby on the grass. माँ ने, मदर जेंटली निम्रता से बेबी को ग्रास पे क्या किया, लेटाया. नेक्स्ट, वेयर डिड यू डैश दैट ब्यूटीफुल पेन ऑफ योर्स. वेयर डिड यू लूज दैट ब्यूटीफुल पेन ऑफ योर्स, कि आपने अपना जो ब्यूटीफुल पेन था वो कहाँ गुम किया. Yes, dear students, we have completed the book exercise of chapter number 1, Monday morning blues. Now it's your home assignment. Learn this exercise. Thank you and have a nice day.